Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to look at how to enter inventory into QuickBooks. Once again, inventory is something that a company buys with the intent to resell to a customer. In the event of a company being a manufacturing company, their initial inventory purchases would be raw materials. In other words, goods that they would turn around and manufacture into another product with the intent to resell. Okay, so to enter inventory, we simply need just to hover over our sales menu item here on the left-hand side, and we can just go right down into products and services. And over on the right-hand side, we will select new, and we're going to just pick the top selection here for inventory. Now, the particular inventory item that I'm going to enter is from Chapter 10. And it's item number 8, and it's a Honda lawnmower. I also want to point out that these items will have to be entered into your QuickBooks system in order for you to proceed through the capstone project. So I hope that this helps you with that. I know we've done some examples in class, but for anyone that may have missed that class, I wanted to post this just to end so you could see how it's done, and also for a refresher for everyone that was there. Okay, so we'll select inventory. Now the name on this particular item is Honda lawnmower. Okay, there's no SKU category. Now for the class, we have set up classes. So we're going to select retail business because these lawnmowers are going to actually be set up to sell, resell to customers. Now, from the information that we're given in Chapter 10, the initial on-hand quantity is 0. Okay, and we're just put an effective date. We're just going to set it to January 1st, 2018, just to be consistent with everything else that we've done so far. Okay, now the reorder point for this particular item is 0. If you recall from some of the other items that we had entered, there was an actual number for a reorder point. So please be careful when you're entering your inventory items in from Chapter 10. Pay attention to what the reorder point is. Okay, we're going to leave it set up as an inventory asset account. That's fine. And the description is fine. We can just leave that blank. Now the selling price, the sales price that we are given is for this particular item is $499.95. We are told to select sales as the income account. So you can select sales or sales of product income if you set some of those up, that's fine. We want to make sure that we put the tax at 13%, as with everything else that we're doing, as well as our services. Now our cost, the cost that we are given, so our purchase price to buy these lawnmowers is $277.10. And we're going to leave cost of goods as the expense account. That's where we're going to set it up. And then our purchase tax, this is very important. We want to make sure that we're getting our input tax credits. Okay, and that's all there is to entering it. So once again, we put in the name of the item. In this particular example, it was the Honda lawnmower. This will be retail business. That will be the class, as will all the items in Chapter 10, because they're going to be resold. Our initial quantity on hand, we're told, is 0. We'll set all our dates as January 1st, 2018. This particular item, there's 0 as a reorder point. We will leave inventory asset as the default. Our selling price, we're given on the lecture exercise Chapter 10 of $499.95. We have our tax at HST. Our cost, we're told, is $277.10. We will leave cost of goods sold as it is, and we will have our purchase tax set at HST as well. Once you've got all that in there, you can just simply save and close, and the green button in the lower, I'll just see if I can show that to you here. No, I can't, the screen's not big enough. On the bottom right-hand corner, you can't see it on the video, but there's a button there that says save and close. So we'll double click that. And our inventory item is entered. So that's all there is to it for entering inventory. So again, please go through. We had entered 1 or 2 items in class, but go through. Please go through Chapter 10 and go through the items. I believe there's probably about. I believe there's about 10 inventory items that have to be entered before you proceed with your capstone projects. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much.